Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download correct export settings for YouTube and DaVinci Resolve, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the Deliver page by clicking the rocket icon at the bottom of the interface. In the Deliver page, you will find export settings on the left sidebar. Select the output format suitable for YouTube, such as YouTube from the presets. Ensure that the resolution matches your original project's resolution, typically 1920 by 1080 for HD. Check the frame rate. YouTube supports various frame rates, usually 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Set the quality to best to ensure optimal video playback. Make sure the codec is set to H.264, which is recommended for YouTube uploads. Also, confirm that the audio codec is AAC for compatibility. Enter a file name for your exported video. Choose a destination folder where the final video will be saved. Click on the Add to Render Queue button at the bottom right. Your video export settings are now queued for rendering. Once you've reviewed everything, click the Start Render button in the Render Queue window. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Once finished, navigate to the destination folder to find your exported video. Your video is now ready for upload to YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.